All right, I'm making this video because hopefully I can help somebody out. I am on a 2009 Camry SE. This Camry has JBL. So I bought a $35 harness for JBL specifically for Android radios. This is a Wow Vivid Android radio. Many other companies make the same exact one. I'm not going to show you how to install it. I'm going to show you if you're having this issue. One, either you're getting radio, like, your radio stations work perfect, no issues. But then the second you go to wired Android Auto or CarPlay wired, or wireless Android Auto or wireless Apple CarPlay, you get no noise at all. And I've looked everywhere, and online and on YouTube I found a video of a guy that had not the same radio, but I said, screw it, what do I got to lose? I'm going to try what he did. So on the description, I will link the harness for the JBL. It's good for many Toyota cars with JBL. So back here, so the JBL harness is connected to the Android radio. And then you have one connector and two that connect to the vehicle. Originally you had three, but nothing else connects to it. That's fine. You connect both your regular connections to it. So from the radio, you have one here. See, it says amp, and this is coming from the radio, from the harness coming from your Android radio. There's the blue amp wire. I cut it and I spliced it, and you're basically gonna connect it to this red wire. And what I did is I spliced it onto here, and this is basically powering your radio. So this is like the main power. You got ignition, the 12 volt. So you put your amp wire coming directly from your Android radio. Cut it, and then you splice it into this red one. So you got two different ones. This one's small. Look at the size of that red wire compared to this one. So you hook it. So I spliced it into this. Turned it on. Sound immediately. I almost gave up on this radio. I really only wanted this radio for the CarPlay. Because, that's what I wanted. I wanted CarPlay. So thank God I found that video. Hopefully this helps you out. Anybody with any Android radio, just try it out. Your harness coming from your Android radio should have a blue amp wire. That blue amp wire, you will connect it to the power, the main vehicle right here. Which, like I said, this was a Android radio specific for this car. That's why I didn't have to splice any connections, and these connectors just connected straight there. And I have noise. I have power. I have full power. Like, I can hear the speakers now when I go into Android, into Android Auto or wireless Apple CarPlay, and it works. So if that helps you out, you don't have to have the same radio. Like I said, the guy didn't even have the same radio I currently have, and I tried it. Thank God it works. So now I could continue assembling this radio back. So let me know if that helped you out. Once again, this is mostly for like Android radios, and this radio is like $150. So this is the work car. All I need is CarPlay. Hopefully that helps you out. I'll repeat it one last time. Harness coming from your radio that's on the Android has a blue wire, says amp. You will splice it into this main power line. That's it. Nothing else. And it works 100%. And I will link the JBL harness I used in the description. It was like about $35. And that's it. Everything else works perfect. Hopefully that helps you out. If it does, let me know. If it helped you out, subscribe to the channel.